Health insurance providers, along with employers, are adjusting to yesterday's announcement allowing same-sex marriage in Indiana.
Starting next year, federal law will require companies that offer health insurance to spouses to offer the same benefits to same-sex couples. That'll be the case even in states that don't recognize same-sex marriage, as long as the couple was married in a state that does. News Channel 15's Gina Glaros joins us with what that means for our state's healthcare system. Gina?
I spoke to a local family attorney today. He says for the most part, health insurance companies won't be impacted. Instead, it'll come down to the employer.
I would guess that every person in Indiana who practices family law has been watching this very, very closely, because this does hit close to home for us. I can't tell you how many calls people we've had show up at our door who've been married in other states who are in same-sex marriages, coming here looking for a divorce, looking for some sort of relief from the court that up to now we've had to say, sorry, we can't help you.
Attorney Christopher LePan and other law firms can now help with a number of issues, including same-sex couples' rights when it comes to health care. He says employers have the option of giving spousal health coverage, gay or straight. Come 2015, if employers do it for one, they'll have to do it for the other.
They'll have a decision to make at that point. Do we pull the plug on all spousal benefits just simply because we don't want to cover same-sex partners? Or do we continue to cover heterosexual couples, and then we bring in also the same-sex spouses as well? If you're asking me what I would expect to happen, I would guess the latter.
In the meantime, he says it would make sense for companies to bite the bullet now. LePan says when you're looking at it from broad terms, at most there are about 4.5 million same-sex couples in the nation.
Even if every gay couple decided to go out today and get married, I would expect that the financial implications to the employer would be minimal.
We checked in with some insurance company providers. Other than some initial changes to how you enter the information in, things will not change. Gina Glaros, News Channel 15.